Hi guys. Welcome to another new episode. These are not ordinary gas lighters. These are magnetic firing lighters. It is very easy to refill gas in the ordinary lighters available in the market. However, you have to refill the gas from some secret positions of the magnetic lighter. Today I will show you how to easily refill gas in magnetic lighters. Though the lighter has a magnetic fire, it does not light because the gas has run out. Since the gas is empty, the second lighter also does not light. This is a mini cylinder filled with gas. The cylinder is filled with liquid gas. It can be purchased for $1 from a shop that sells lighter equipment in the market. Cheap lighters are refilled with gas through the burner point. However, the refill port of a slightly better quality lighter is in a different place. For example, the refill port of these two lighters is given at the back. Although the refill port of the two lighters is also different. I opened the bottom screw and loosened it. This refill port is used to increase or decrease the flame of the lighter. It is called the butane lighter fill valve. There is a knob on the top of this valve which is turned to move the key left and right, and the flame is increased or decreased. The knob is opened. The key is held by a small rubber belt under the knob. I also opened the rubber. Now I took out the main key by shaking it. If all these small kits are not opened, the butane lighter fill valve cannot be brought into easy mode. Now I turn the butane lighter fill valve counterclockwise with a flat screwdriver to bring the valve to a very normal pressure. I pressed the built-in refill adapter of the gas cylinder on the fill valve and held it for a while. By now, the gas pressure in the cylinder was high, so it entered the empty space of the lighter. I am testing the lighter. Wow! It now has a flame. Now I turn the butane lighter fill valve clockwise with a flat screwdriver to return the valve to its previous position. Then I set the lighter lock belt, and volume knob. Just like before, I opened the screw under the second lighter. I tried to refill without changing anything, but it did not refill. Therefore, I made a different screwdriver to bring the butane lighter fill valve to normal pressure. As before, I turned the butane lighter fill valve counterclockwise with a driver to bring the valve to normal pressure. I pressed the built-in refill adapter of the gas cylinder on the fill valve and held it for a while. By now, the gas pressure in the cylinder was high, so it entered the empty space of the lighter. Now I turned the butane lighter fill valve clockwise with a driver to return the valve to its previous position. Then I set the lighter in the box. Wow! The gas refilled the lighter and it burst into flames. Hope you can try refilling gas if you get different lighters like this. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and presses the bell button to get the next video.